What's the meaning of blockade? Blockade. Blockade.
Blockade. Blockade. A blockade refers to the act of using physical barriers or military force to prevent access or movement in or out of a specific location, such as a port, city, or country. This tactic is often used as a form of economic or political pressure, as it can restrict trade and limit resources for those who are targeted by the blockade. Blockades have been used throughout history, from ancient times to modern conflicts, and can have significant impacts on the affected area and its people. The effectiveness of a blockade depends on various factors, including the strength of the blockading force and the resilience of those who are being blockaded.